Namaste. This video I'm gonna tell you the most effective technique or yes, the most effective technique of law of attraction. This is a requested video. Whenever I talk to people, always and almost every time people always ask me that what is that effective technique of law of attraction with which I can attract my desires quickly, my manifestations quickly. So in this video I'm gonna tell you all those details and all those informations about the effective manifestation technique. Let's get started with this video. First and foremost, you need to understand that to make that technique effective, you need to make it very much clear, and you need to make your manifestation with your clarity. Okay, so whatever you are manifesting, you must have that much of clarity of what you are manifesting, exactly what you are manifesting, what do you want. Many people don't know what they want. You need to understand that this is very much important to know exactly what you want. It's not that at this point of time you want this and at another point of time you want some other things. It's not like that. So make it clarity, bring that clarity within yourself first, and then you will see that circumstance. First rule. Secondly, you need to understand that there is no such effective technique of law of attraction. Every technique is so effective. You need to make it effective. Every technique you are doing, you need to make it effective, whatever be the technique, whether it is 55 into 5 technique, whether it is scripting technique, whether it is journaling, or 33 into 3, whether it is a water technique, sleeping technique. You need to make that technique effective with pouring all your feelings at that present moment wherever you are doing. I'm sorry for those noises. I'm extremely sorry for that. Please be with me. Please bear with me. So as I'm saying that to make your technique effective, you need to understand that you need to pour your feelings in that technique. You need to do that technique in such a way, in a present tense, that it's already happened. It has already happened. So you need to very much clear about this present tense. You need to very much clear about how to let go things, how you need to let go of your manifestation, of your negativity, all of your desires. After doing any kind of techniques, whenever you let go, oh, that is the most effective way of attracting all that you desire. Because letting go means what? You are not attaching yourself with the circumstance, with the people surrounding you. You are detaching yourself from everything. So that's why this is a very effective and very beautiful, amazing ones to get your manifestations done. So you need to understand, you need to be very clear about your manifestation. You need to understand that to make an effective technique, all the techniques are very much effective, but you need to take care of your feelings that you are pouring into the present tense. Okay, so yeah, of course. And what else? So letting go, being at the present moment is what makes your technique effective. Okay, and the most important, yes, how can I forget this? The most important is that self-love. Oh my god, self-love is the key of attracting everything you desire. You cannot chase everything. You cannot chase for that incredible relationship with your specific person. You cannot chase that specific person that love me, love me, love me, love me the way I want to be loved from you. You cannot do so. You need to love yourself first. You need to love yourself unconditionally. Oh, the self-love is the most beautiful, amazing way of making your manifestations done. Self love means thankfulness about whatever you have in your life, whatever be it, whatever it is. So you need to understand that self love is the highest frequency, is the highest frequency. Do whatever you want to do. That doesn't mean that smuggling or all those negative things. No, 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 no. If you are willing to dance, dance. If you're willing to sing, sing. If you're willing to write, then write. There are so many people who write so well, really write so well. Please, please pour all your feelings on this paper, all those feelings. One of those effective technique, yes, one of those effective technique of pouring your feelings onto a white paper, a blank paper, holding that pen on your hand and just writing your feelings on there, on those papers. Oh, it's such a wonderful feeling. Do it by yourself, and you will get to know what is the magic, what is the secret of doing all those things, what is this law of attraction. You will get to know. Until you do it, you won't get to know. You will get to know whenever you apply it on your life. Yes, many people know about law of attraction, but they don't apply it in their life. That's why they become so much negative. They become that law of attraction doesn't work in their life. It is not so. It is not so. Law of attraction works for each and every individual on this planet Earth. Okay, so to make this technique effective, you need to understand that feelings is most important. Feeling at that right moment, feeling at that present moment. And then self-love is more important, of loving yourself unconditionally, exactly the way you are, exactly the way you are. You're accepting things. That's the first step of loving yourself, accepting yourself. Okay, and the third one is, what did I say? What did I say? Yeah, bring that clarity in yourself, within yourself, that bring that clarity of whatever you manifest. It's not like at this point of time you're manifesting this with this technique, and at another point of time you're manifesting this, two things you're manifesting. It's not like that. If you are a beginner, at first try to manifest one single thing. Try to focus on one single thing. Try to focus on it, and try to do something small things. Try to focus on small things. It's not like that huge manifestation. You're at that beginning, you're attacking on that huge manifestation. You're manifesting a interior design house, you're manifesting a incredible relationship. No, 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 not like that. If you are a beginner of law of attraction, you can start manifesting a cup of coffee, or a cup of tea, or a chocolate bar. So yes, if you ask me, the most effective law of attraction, what do I favor? Well, the most favorite ones are the visualization. Yes, I love to visualize. I just love to visualize. Meditation keeps my mind so calm and peace. It's not only with me, but meditation keeps all those people who do meditation on a regular basis. I mean, they are so calm and peace on any circumstance in their life. They can be so calm and peace. So it also helped me. So meditation, visualization, and my most favorite technique is act as if technique. Oh my god, act as if technique is so beautiful. Each and every time I do, it works so amazingly. And water technique, oh my god, if it is related with my health, it works like magic. It really works like magic. And each and every time I do this water affirmation, it has helped me a lot. You know, this water, attracts the memories of yours. It really attracts the memories. So water technique is a beautiful technique, I must say. Amazing, beautiful technique. And what else? Yeah, gratitude scripting is always my favorite ones. Gratitude and scripting I do always, every day, every single day, whether it is morning or at night, I do it. So scripting and journaling. And yeah, act as a technique is the most favorite one. So my god, I just can't think about without act as a technique. I just cannot think without act as a technique. Each and every time I manifest a plate of biryani with act as a technique. Yes, I also manifest a plate of biryani, yeah, you can also try, you can also do it. I won't say that don't try. Yeah, manifestation is not trying and applying those law of attraction techniques and trying. No, it's not like that. But yes, of course, I have manifested a lot of things with act as a technique. A text message, oh my god. So these are all the techniques which make your manifestations come true so beautifully, so magically, and amazingly. You will be amazed if you try, if you not try, if you just manifest it with all those law of attraction techniques. Take care of yourself and love yourself more and more and more to fly high up. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. I love you all.